So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the ghost trail effects on your videos on the Premiere Pro. That means a ghost trail audio like effect that you have heard on the videos or the cinemas. Now, in order to get that, just simply first of all enable the effects panel from here. Now, under the effects panel, search for ghost trails right there. In order to get that, just simply search for echo. Under the echo section, just simply apply this echo to the video effect under right there. Now once you apply it, you will notice that the echo time, under the echo time, set the echo operator to maximum right there, and here set and increase the number of echoes to 3 to 5 right there. Let's say 3. And once you do it and decay to almost 0.9, and you'll notice that a ghost like effect have been created on your videos. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.